Ladies and gentlemen, Minglawa, Alung, good morning everybody. According to the explanation, we understood all. So, according to the last visit, we understood all the same thing. We did not get any new. But according to the explanation, we understood that Myanmar government will implement according to the law. We are requesting for implement also according to the law. We'll mention something according to the Myanmar laws that Myanmar government must implement on us to get our full citizenship rights. According to the 82 Citizenship Law, Article 6, we are already citizen of Myanmar. So, no need anything to verify for that. After independence, the Myanmar government differentiated three kinds of peoples. Number one, foreigner, FRC. Number two, citizen not indigenous, UCC. Number three, indigenous ethnic, NRC. Already verified that. Foreigner Act and Foreigner Registration Law were issued in 1864 and 1940 respectively. To register the foreigner resident of Myanmar, law was created in 1948. FRC were issued according to the foreigner registration law and rule. Rohingya were not included in this case. One can therefore conclude that Rohingyas were not considered as a foreigner in 1948 rule and law. Because of Rohingyas did not include foreigner categories according to the 1948 foreigner registration rule and law. In 1948 citizenship law, it means Union Citizenship Election Act. 1948 Union Citizenship Election was created to issue Union Citizenship Certificate UUC to those persons who were not born within territories of Myanmar under the British majority's rule and had entered and resident in Myanmar before 1948. If they were resided in Myanmar for 8 years continuously, out of 10 years, they were regarded as a citizen of Myanmar. This law was for non-native peoples. Rohingya did not fall under this legal framework because they were considered, Rohingyas were considered indigenous ethnic of Myanmar at that time. Like Rohingya and other ethnic did not fall because of indigenous ethnic. In 1948 Myanmar resident law